Okay, well yesterday I was in this big hive with my mom actually, and I noticed something was wrong on two of the frames. I got to get in there and fix it today. It's kind of an emergency frame situation. I'm hoping it's not as bad as I think, but I had to run over and get another 10 frame shell to hopefully help us in the operation here, so stay with me. Well, I don't know how they do it in windy states. Right here off the lake it can get a little windy, which it is right now. Okay, this first one doesn't have much on it, but I just need to get it up and get it out of the way. Gotta be very careful. I don't want anything to happen with the queen. I'm gonna easily get this first one up. I inserted this one yesterday and was hoping they would build it out, and they've already started on it. There's not much on it, but let's take this one and put it right in place. Say some extra prayers when you get this one going on. All right, I'm gonna put them in this box right here. Okay, don't have to squash them or anything. Now this one is loaded down with bees. Be very careful. I also am trying to figure out moving forward the best way to deal with some of these frames. It just gets so that one would have got me. You know, a lot of times on here what I'm learning is when I really screw something up, it's my fault. It is not the bees. It's me being, let's see if I find the queen here real quick. I mean, this thing's loaded. I'll stick this one right here really easily. All right. I know this is not ideal. I just got to get over to these frames and then figure out what I got. And I hate to do this, but I don't think I have a choice. And right now, this looks like my only way to do it well. Okay. All right, bees, you're doing good. Thank you for helping me here. Let me get this one out of here. All right, bees, I gotta get in here. Now let me come in, please. Man, look at this, loaded down. It is loaded down. I'm gonna keep them in this order, obviously. Look at this one, nothing but brood. Tons of brood on this one. Oh, I'm sorry, I poked you a little bee. You were gonna get me too. Yeah, she's after me. All right. Yeah, this is one of those times. I'm riled up. This is all brood, and I know they're upset at me. Set it down. Scoot this over just a little bit, maybe. Okay, let me get a little bit of, oh, there's the one that's caved in. That's terrible. Oh, if you could see this. Oh no, just not what I wanted. Okay, so I've got to somehow figure out how to get this one, which is folded in. Oh, it's folded in on the other one too, I think. Okay, so man, it just looks like resources in there, but still I wanted to see if I can isolate these two and then pull the other frames off behind it that are okay. These frames are okay, so if I could pull these off of here, I have an idea, but I just don't know if it's a good idea. I'm trying to get all these frames up. Come here, frame. Alright, you get up here. You get up here. Let's get this frame out of the way. Watch out, little bees. Oh, I'm sorry. I know you're mad at me. I know you're mad at me. I would be mad at me. Alright. Stay right there. This one might be okay. I'm going to try to get it off here. Get these first. Watch out, little girls. Man, this thing's full of nectar. What I'm thinking about doing is, if I have to, I can put this box. Oh, sorry girls, sorry girls. They're such a good little colony too. They really are. I'm sorry. All right, girls, that's my bad. I did not do a great job, and I deserve that. I know it. All right, let's get this one pushed over just a little bit. Let's get this frame on the end. It's all honey. Oh, man. Tell you what, just not ideal. Not what I wanted. Okay. All right, that's looking better, but man, what a mess, what a mess. All right, let's take this one. I'm gonna see if I can fix this one, maybe the second one, without it coming completely apart. All right, girls, I know, I'm so sorry. I'm hoping I can get this one to stay intact. Pull it out of here and repair it. Oh, well, a big part of it fell. And I think it may have been the other one that just fell. That's what it is. It's the other frame just fell. Wow, that was crazy. Okay. Let's see if I can just put these somewhere for a second. Maybe on that frame hanger would be a good idea. Oh man, I tell you what a disaster. That's what happens when a frame collapses. Let's see for a second. Let me just. Sorry, girls. Y'all don't do anything silly now. Let me just put this in this frame hanger here for a second, if I can. Wow, that's not what I wanted. I believe it's a bunch of honey. Let me just move these over. What I'm going to do is position these in the box the way they should go. I'm about to replace that box, basically. All right, watch out, girls. Watch out in the middle. I know, boy, they would have got me. Queen might be around there somewhere. Happy with me at all, and I don't blame them. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's put this one. 9. Sorry, bees. Sorry, bees. All right. Okay. Be very careful. All right, get in there. I got room for one more, and that's that one. Okay, this one's a problem, obviously, trying to figure it out. It is not going to stick together. It's all nectar. So what I'm thinking is, I'm actually just thinking, why don't I take this and put it into, I want to replace this box altogether and take that one and put it on top of that bottom board. I think that's the thing to do. And then take this one and put it on top so they can come get all those resources maybe. I'm not 100% sure. But what I do need to do is put another one here. Actually, I'm gonna put one that's already got some comb that they can use, hopefully. This looks like it's in pretty good shape here. All right, now, again, this one is a mess. I'm almost wondering if I need to take that box and just sit it on top of here and let them move all those resources up. It might be what I need to do for now, but I'm not sure. Tell you what I'll do. Take this box. Wow, that's heavy. That is a heavy box. Okay. This box is back on. The box and the... No, I don't need to do that. I can't do that just yet. I'm sorry, everybody. I made a mistake. Okay, everybody. Well, this might look like a crazy contraption, and I'm going to see real quick if it works or not. But I'm trying to get this stuck back in here a little bit to give them some of the resources back. I just don't waste them all. And I'll do something with it a little bit later. But I think they'll clean up most of these resources if I just leave it out anyway. So I'm not too worried about it. But you know, they've been sitting here working away. Let me see if I can put you back in there, girls. All right, well, let's see here. That might actually work. Don't know. Let me pull one of these out. Doesn't necessarily need to be in here. Let's see if we can get... I want to go down in there, and then I'll push one over next to it and see if I can get it to hold. How about that? Maybe. Okay, all right. Now listen, girls, I'm about to put you up. I'm sorry. Man, I made a mistake. Well, I don't think I made a mistake. I had a problem, and I had to fix it. And that's just the way that is. And I really got to watch these frames. All the frames are in. Everything else is extra. Those bees will go back. They'll pick that up and then go in the house. I'm going to take this one. I don't need this body right now. If anything, I got a few of these little traps with oil on them. I just need to take these little trays. Those little trays. Still got a little bit of oil in it. That's a good call. Let me put these back on here. Sorry, girls. I know I'm messing with you a lot today. I know it. This has been a major effort. Like a major effort, but I'm glad I got it done because they were not going to be in a good spot if I didn't. All right, let's put that there. This other one. These are little small. Oh, I see some down in there. That's what it appears to be. It's got vegetable oil. Helps keep the small hive beetles out. I'm gonna get a couple more of these off of this old equipment. Not old, it's just not what we're using right this minute. All right, let's pop these in. I think that's gonna work. Better than having frames that are not working correctly, I can tell you that. So they weren't happy with me. They're still not happy with me. But wow, what a difference. They're up here flying. Can get most of these resources. I might have a few casualties out of that. I expected a little bit, but tell you what, I'm much happier with what I got right this second because I'm gonna set this to the side and let all these bees come out of here. I'll put it on the table in a minute. I'm gonna put this back up here because I can put the feed box back in. An ant, get out of there, ant. Here's the box. Oh, feed. Always got to get the pine straw off. I got to figure something else out better there. All right, I'm sure they got a few in there yet, but they got feed at the top. They can come up and get it if they need it. Got the top box here. All right, that's going to do it for us temporarily here. Okay, what an undertaking, but I think it's the best thing that we could do right now. It's just simply, I think I did the right thing. We'll see how it goes. All right, if you like it, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. God bless.